How's it going? It's Saturday. Barn sale's over. I have been working on getting a laser printer working for the last 2 days. I think I got 3 hours the first time and an hour and a half last night. And you want to see how far I got? This is the Label Writer 450. Yeah, nice, huh? Look, you want to see what happens after what 4.5 hours of downloading bullshit onto my computer and deleting them and putting new ones on. Check it out. Watch what this thing does. See there's that big old print button. Watch this. I even put my name on the label and all. This is for my eBay business, so I can have nice laser friggin' labels. Watch this. Watch. Isn't that funny? Isn't that funny? And it says, paper out. Yep. See that? I'm out of paper. Right? Yeah, but you know what? I'm not. Look at that. Want to see all the labels that I went through? Yep. 5 hours and nowhere near done. This thing is the biggest piece of shit. The Dymo Label Writer 450. I've been online on YouTube watching people download all kinds of crap. Oh, it's easy, it's simple. They have the same problem. I cannot seem to fix it. If anybody out there knows how to fix this goddamn piece of crap, please let me know. I dropped $90 on this thing, plus a whole case of labels. So I'm 100 in on it and more. If I count my time, I could be doing a lot better things, much more productive things. Anyway, if I can't get this thing working, I've got a shotgun in the house, and I will be putting a video up of me blowing this piece of crap up into 1,000 effing pieces. Yeah. So anyway, that's how my day went. Yeah. I got this thing. Look, this thing got to go. Somebody make me an offer on this motorcycle. Also, look at that great goose I picked up, huh? Huh? Isn't he great? All right. The day is over for me anyway. I'm going in. You guys have a nice, wonderful weekend. I know I'm going to. See you.